Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the Bitcoin update today. It's just been not so good, not so great for a couple of days. I haven't been feeling well. I've been sick for quite some days. So right now I do feel some energy kicking back. Not 100% really great, but just good enough to actually talk. Yeah, at least talk and get the update done. So the thing is, on the Discord and the announcement is this thing, the more it tries to break, the likely to break. We'll explain this on today's Bitcoin update, right? So when you try to break something again and again, it seems like there are chances for you to go on and break that thing. What's the date today? Maybe 25. But for entries for October, by the way, is opened up right now, and you have 5 days to close to enter the private channel as well. And I do recommend you to start to join for October because Q4 may be upon us, and the Q4 is the fourth quarter of the year. So basically October, November, and December. And this may actually be very good months, because if I've been telling you that September is not good, I've been expecting September not to be a very good month, and as you can see, it has been very, very boring. This is September, ladies and gentlemen, okay? September right over there. And we still haven't closed the month. We haven't really closed the month of September. Now, back into the Bitcoin chart, I'm going to dive in and go back to the 4-hour time frame as well. You can see that this here, Bitcoin, has started to move back down, and you are still under this sideways movement. So basically 1, 2, a fake out right there, a move up like this, and then you went to the downside. I was expecting a 28,000 and a touch here, but okay, fine. You didn't go there, you just started moving down from there, okay? And right now on the 4-hour time frame, unfortunately, you do have Bitcoin that is making in a 3 black crows, 1, 2, 3 candles, continuation to the downside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the 1-hour time frame as well, and I'm going to show you that you potentially have a bear flag. So by default, I don't have to stress this much, but by default it seems like this is your next technical target down here. You're looking for 25,343, but that's not what I've been aiming for. This is not exactly what I'm looking to aim for. As I told you, when something tries to break again and again, it is likely that it breaks this time. The first time you try to break, and this is where I mean it, you see this is your support line. The yellow line that you see is support line, right? So when you went down, you try to break it, you see nearly break number 1 here back in June, and you couldn't break down, you got supported. You couldn't break it down here, you got supported, and you try to break, but you make a fake out, and then you push to the upside, right? So you're trying to break, you try to break it here, you're not going down, you're still supported. You try to break it there, you're not going down, still got supported. You try to break it here again, no any chances. Here again, no, fake out right there, and a move back up like this. Now it does look like you're coming down again, and since September always ends being red and flashy, that really means that potentially you might be looking to try to break it again, and it actually might be the time to pop below these levels. So on the daily as well, you're looking at Bitcoin to have a double top. Okay, this is a clear double top at the moment, and I do expect Bitcoin to probably, again, since it's trying to break below, it has chances that it can actually break below. And that's it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.